Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 of this video, life loss and creativity. Remember in the first video I told you about my health issues. I told you about the loss of my dear love Memaw, and then I talked about it in part 1 and part 2. And again, I'm not going to take up too much of your time with what's been going on with my health. It's a lot. But anyway, yeah, I'm still in the holiday spirits. You see, I'm wearing can you guys see this? Santa's favorite. Are you Santa's favorite? Anyway, so yeah, in the part 2 of the video, I was having trouble uploading the image. And just a quick reminder also, remember, I told you all about me having that image for all this while now, and you can go on Etsy and get any known image or whatever image you like to put on your apparel. So yeah, I just wanted to say welcome back. Thank you for stopping by and hanging there with me. I'm gonna try to get through with this video tonight anyway, because I had trouble. I thought the file was really too big, and that was the reason why I wasn't loading in the Cricut design space. So we'll try it again tonight. So let me share my screen with you guys. All right, and you'll hear all these things going on in the background because I got my son is in there watching the football game. Let me see. I hope you guys should be able to. Let me see. In just a second, I'm going to share my screen with you. Let me try it. And then give me just a second also. Give me 1 second. I'm going to turn this off. Okay. Uh-oh. I thought I had turned it off. Okay, thanks guys. I'm back. So let's see if we're going to share our screen. I don't know what's been going on with the internet today. Even when I was at work earlier, the we were having a network problem. And you see I'm wearing a different scarf. I bought like 3 of these at Walmart, guys. They are super cute if you're like me, like to cover your hair. Well, I'm at the stage in my hair where I'm covering it until it grows out. So let's see if I can share my screen with you, okay? Come on, internet. Don't do this to my YouTube buddies. Are you guys getting ready for the holidays? Let's see. Hopefully it'll connect in just a second. You see how it's buffering? I don't know if you even see that it's buffering. Come on, be nice to me. Yeah, it's still, you guys, I'm still seeing myself. Is the microphone good? Yep. All right, guys. So I'm gonna share my screen. I'll click down here on the Cricut design space. Let it open up. Okay, and it's loaded. I'll go to my stuff. Oh yeah, that's right. I did tell you in the last video that I was going to start a new project because I didn't work on this one. All right, so when you're in the Cricut design space and you want to upload an image, you hit the upload button to the left and it will allow you to browse wherever the image is. And in this case, I do remember this image being on my external hard drive, so I will open that up. And I'll go into my Christmas file and I will grab the image. I want, open it. As I was explaining in the last video, I just want a silhouette copy of this because I will be doing the direct to film the transfer powder. So, and I'm going to be using it on a red t-shirt. So I'm going to select single layer because I just want the silhouette. And I am ready to upload. So you will hit this oblong green bar at the bottom and hit upload. And there you are. And you notice how large. If the image is too big, then the Cricut Design Space will not recognize it. You see this red exclamation point here? You click it, it says image is too large. You want to reduce the image size. So you can do that two ways in the Cricut Design Space. You can select it here on the corner and drag it down to your desired size, or you can go in here and do it manually by selecting. And because my shirt is for me, I usually wear a size ladies medium. So anytime I use adult size t-shirts, I try to make the image large enough. So making it width maybe 9.5 in width. So I will select 9.5 and hit enter. And that would reduce the size. Or you can make it as large as you want. It's up to you. But you also want to keep in mind that the image, you want to make sure that you do the image that you're going to be using the direct to film transfer, that is the exact size of your silhouette, or it's going to be off. So if my measurement for the silhouette is 9.25 inches by 5.48, I want to make sure that the image itself, when I print it out, is the exact size for it to match. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I had to make sure I turn my computer on. I have to step away from the camera for a second. And I mean, not turn my computer. I'm sorry. I need to turn the Cricut cutter on because I'm getting ready to send this to the cut for it to be cut. And if this video is getting too long in length, then I'm going to stop and then come back and finish tomorrow. Because right now, where I am in Houston, I don't know what part of the world you guys are in, it's pretty late. Well, it's not too late. It's 9 o'clock. I'm getting a bit tired, so I want to rest a little bit. Okay. I'm going to use white vinyl and using my Cricut mat. Now this has been used forever. I've shown this thing over the years some love, love, love. So I'm going to use tape, guys, and it works just fine. I had to step away. Sorry about that, guys. So I'll get a piece of tape. Can you guys see that? Just a piece of tape. And I will tape it down just like so. And I don't cut the vinyl. I just put it on the Cricut board, and make sure you put the carrier sheet, the shiny part down. That's the side you want to put down on the mat to cut, with the carrier sheet down, the shiny side down. Turn my Cricut cutter on, connect it. Sorry about that, guys. You guys are getting ready for the holidays. Well, the holidays are upon us. Are you guys doing all that shopping? There's traffic all over the place, everywhere. You have to practice patience when you're out there, guys. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to send it to the cutter. I want to hit the make button in the top right hand corner. You select make. It says your project will be saved to my stuff. Save. Why should I? Okay, I can go ahead and do it in the Christmas collection. I can title it Gnomes, and if it doesn't let me save it there, I can save it somewhere else. Gnomes, Gnomes, or my theme for this Christmas. Okay, it says that it's saved, and you see how it put it right there on the cutting mat. And in this part, and very, very important, guys, you have to mirror your image. Otherwise, you're going to waste a good piece of vinyl. And I know if you guys anything like me, everything's so expensive right now. You want to make sure that not wasting any material. So once I flip it, which you're going to hit the mirror section here, you guys hear my Shelby. She's my border collie cocker spaniel in the background sneezing or doing something. So I'm going to open the machine. I'm just right here. Let's see if you guys can see it if I move the camera down a little bit. Now, right here, you're going to hit continue. And it's going to send it to the cut. Most times in my setting is usually always on iron on plus. That's the setting I most often use. And you will see it right here. It says iron on plus. So now we are ready. It is connected. It's flashing over here. You can't see it from there, but it's asking me to hit the feed button for it to cut. And because it's just a silhouette, it's going to cut in maybe, 5 seconds? No, just kidding. A little longer than that. So while that's cutting, so tell me, guys, let me know in the comment if you give this video thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend about me so you guys can see what's going on with me on YouTube. Yeah. And I'm always drinking coffee. That is my weakness. I got this cup when my son and I went on his 8th grade trip to London. Most people don't know that about me. During my travels, I collect magnets, and I do like to go wherever I am if they have a Starbucks. This came from Starbucks in London. It was a nice trip, by the way. I would love to go back there. So yeah. So guys, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm gonna come back and do part 4, and this is going to finish this project for me tomorrow. But it is cutting right now, and I won't bore you with that. But it'll just be the silhouette of the image that I'm going to put on the shirt for my son and I's Christmas themed gnome. So anyway, don't forget, give this video a like, come back and watch the video tomorrow, and you'll see how it ends. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.